That's Billionaire's Row, and that's your view from Harlem. This apartment is all about price, location, and space, closet space, and overall layout. So you've got one big closet right here, another closet right there, a full separate kitchen with a decent amount of cabinet space. Nothing fancy, but it works. Then you've got a dining area that's right near the kitchen, and then you've got a really decent living room with great views of downtown, great sunlight, big windows. They're still in the middle of painting. Now, through here, you've got that closet that I showed you before. That's the entrance. You've got another closet there. Bathroom, again, nothing fancy, but it's decent. And then you've got 2 bedrooms. Each bedroom will fit a queen bed, great sunlight again. One closet right here. And then you've got the second bedroom. This one's slightly bigger. Another closet right there. One of the best things about this apartment is that splitting rent with 2 roommates is super easy because all utilities are included. So your rent is just like a flat rate. You don't have to split the utilities, which are going to be different every month because they're all covered here. The building has laundry, 3 elevators, and an on-site management.